Imagine taking a ride through a subterranean wonderland, where the darkness of the cave is pierced by the glow of stalactites and stalagmites. That's exactly what the Postojna Cave train offers, an exhilarating journey into the heart of one of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders. Hop aboard and feel the anticipation build as the train rumbles through narrow passages, unveiling a hidden world millions of years in the making. As you delve deeper into the cave's labyrinthine tunnels, you'll be mesmerized by the intricate formations that adorn its walls.